How to blur and change background in WhatsApp video call. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To blur and change the background in the WhatsApp video call, you need to actually access your phone settings. Within your phone setting, you need to tap on the search bar. Right over here, tap on the video option. Now, please note that depending upon the version of your device as well as the model of the device, the option may vary accordingly. Now, as you can see, the current option for me is the face beauty for video call. However, there is no such option as blur and change background. But in your case, if you type in the video call effect, you will see the option right over here. So let us suppose the face beauty is actually our blur and change background in WhatsApp video call. Here you will see an interface similar to this, and you need to actually toggle on this button. Once you have done this, you can tap open your WhatsApp. Then select on the conversation and tap on the video call. So once you are in here at the side, you will see floating image similar to this. You can tap on this floating image where you can see the option of blur or select any other background effect. And that is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. And that is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much.